Hello and welcome to video number 10. Congratulations, you have reached the end of this video course. In this specific video, I want to show you how to set up an affiliate program on JVZoo and how to utilize affiliate contests and affiliate resources to boost your affiliate generated income. Now, before I show you the hows and how to do it and how to implement this, I want to talk about a few things. Obviously, by now, you should understand why you need an affiliate program. But for some of you might be thinking, well, why should I give away 50% or even 75% commissions to somebody else? Well, the bottom line is simple, because if you give away a certain percentage of commissions, when affiliates promote your product, it's not taking a lot of your time, it's not taking money, they are taking time and money to promote your product. And if you think about it, especially intangible products on JVZoo.com, like videos, ebooks, PDFs, reports, and so forth, you don't have to invest time into reproducing each and every one of them. So why affiliate program? Because you'll make more money. And if you're still in the mindset of why, then you need to get out of that mindset and out of the ego mindset that your product is definitely valuable, and you might be thinking, well, why should I give it away for 50% to somebody else? Because they are generating income for you. In the end, you make more money. And giving higher commissions usually will get more affiliates on board. Giving at least 50% is the standard for intangible products for affiliates to be happy. Now, affiliates obviously will be happier if your product converts higher. And I'm going to talk about a few things in just a minute about conversions. When you launch a product on JVZoo, they are going to show you overall your conversion rate, so people can see your overall conversion rate. So if you're getting affiliates that are sending, let's say, 1,000 people to your product, but only one is converting, then your conversions will drop and it'll actually be lousy. So you want to make sure that you have a high converting program first, and then if that's the case, then give people higher commissions. You can also do it in a manner where you can give certain affiliates higher commissions for bringing in more customers. So definitely want to make your affiliates happy and make them feel valued and reward them if they are bringing a lot of sales to your product. And JVZoo helps make your affiliates happy because it's all about instant payments. At the point of sale, your affiliates get paid. And then if there is a refund, then the beauty as a vendor is it's instant refund. So when things are refunded, it takes it out of the affiliate account, it takes it out of your business partner's account, and as from your account. So it makes your life easy and the affiliate's life easy. So how can we provide affiliates with all the tools necessary to promote? And I'll talk a little more about that in the future slides. But you definitely want to provide affiliates with the proper tools like email solo ads, if you can, videos, promotional videos, educational, demo, educational, promotional videos, and so forth, webinars, and so forth. So if you provide affiliates with the necessary tools and it makes it easier for them to promote, then they're going to be spending all this time promoting your product, and you're going to get better conversions. So let's talk about your affiliate program's conversion rate. So like I said earlier, you have affiliates that are promoting your product. If some affiliates are getting a higher conversion rate and some are getting, let's say, a 0 conversion rate, or even maybe your competitors joined, you approve them without knowing, and they've sent you lousy traffic. One thing that I've learned that you can do is to simply ban that affiliate. If that affiliate is sending trash traffic, it's going to ruin your conversions. And then the future affiliates that come along and look at your product don't want to promote your product because you have a lousy conversion. So that's one way to go about keeping your affiliate conversions high. Now let's talk about affiliate contests. What I found with affiliate contests is people like fame and money. People like money, and they do like, especially when they win a contest. If they can win a contest, then they'll say, hey, you know, I've got a high converting list and so forth. It gives them power and so forth. And prizes could include money, helping them, solo ads, cross-sell their products to your thank you page, and more. Now let's talk about affiliate resources. You could do banner ads. Go to Fiverr.com and do a search for banner ads. You can get really good designers for $5. But what I recommend is that you pay them $10 or $15 or $20 and contact them in advance, because most people don't do that. Most people just pay the $5 and that's it. You can say, hey, I'll give you $10, and if it's really, really good after several revisions, I'll give you $20. And you can contact them through the inbox, but what you probably want to do is use the word gigs. Fiverr gigs are kind of like a currency of $5. So instead of saying the word pay, say something like, I'll get 5 gigs from you or something. You also want to provide email solo ads if you can. If you don't know where to start, a good way to start is simply looking at the headline, the subheadline, the benefits, the problems of the actual sales page. And that's one good way of creating a email solo ad. Quick and easy. Google AdWords ads, list of keywords that people can rank on and promote your product, which is really good, especially if you find buying keywords and you get affiliates to promote on those buying keywords. Then when other people type in those keywords like blank review or cheap review or cheap blank product name or something, if you can do that, then when people are searching for your product, they see the review from your affiliate, and that will actually help you with your conversions. So with that said, let me actually show you by going to JVZoo.com and showing you how to implement all of this. So adding an affiliate program is not hard at all. Simply click on Edit under your product. Under affiliate status, you can do manual approve, and that's what I'll probably do, is manually approve it, simply because if you auto approve, you might get some spammy affiliates that you don't know. That could definitely decrease your conversion rate. So it does take time to manually approve it, but it's definitely better in the long run. You can enter your affiliate terms here, your questions people have about your affiliate program, how they get paid, and so forth, and just stuff that affiliates would probably ask. And you can go on Google and find questions that people would ask and list out your terms and requirements and conditions. If you have any, you can put it here. And then you can put notes to affiliates like swipe copies of your solo ads and email solo ads and any resources that might help your affiliates. You could provide it here. And this is HTML enabled as well, so you could enter banner ads, you can enter a lot of other stuff as well over here. And you can enable it in the JVZoo marketplace. In fact, once you have your affiliate program connected to your product and it's time to launch the product, then it definitely would be wise to release it to the JVZoo marketplace, because you could get more affiliates who are looking for products that are similar to their niche and their niche. And you can also enable second tier affiliate tracking, which basically means, let's say you have a JV broker who gets, let's say, 10% of all sales, or 10% of all sales that they refer. So if, let's say I apply to your affiliate program and then you hire me to be your JV broker. And then I get other people on board to sign up as an affiliates. And then basically what I would do is I would get 10% of their cut. So that would be a JVZoo JV broker, or it could be two-tier affiliate tracking for all your affiliates. So this is very, very powerful in itself, and you can do really, really well if you use this. So you can enter your affiliate landing page URL. You can enable second tier here, and you would just need to click on Save Product. In this case, we're going to leave it as it is and simply click on Save Product. And if we go back to the seller's page here, the product page, you can actually see the affiliate details page. So if you click on here, you can actually see additional affiliate information. And I wrote down email copy here, which was basically the HTML area that you enter that code. So definitely enter the banners. You can enter banners, email, solo ads, and so forth here. And this is where people are going to see. So you provide the affiliates the right resources, and you'll be able to help them help you. And if you go back to the product page, you can actually add a affiliate contest. So if you click on this, it obviously says you currently do not have an affiliate contest for this product, so we can add one below. And the cool thing is you can actually have a start date. So we could say October 21st, and you can include the prizes and so forth here. So just include the information. You can enter HTML code. You can enter and tell people what kind of prizes that they get if they make a certain amount of sales. So it's definitely not complicated at all. And of course, if you're wondering how you can create some affiliate resources, if you go to Google and go to a site called Fiverr.com, you can actually hire people for $5, like I said earlier, to create banner ads. You can say banner ads. And then what I recommend that you do is click on rating. And what we're doing is we're basically ranking the best to the least best. And the reason why we want to do this is because we want the best. So if we click here, just to see, and anytime you see top rated seller, that's a good sign. And that tells you that people are doing a really good job. And you can actually see these, the portfolio here, and get an idea. So as we look at here, we can see that they have really, really good banners, and all you do is create a Fiverr.com account. You will need to have a PayPal account in order to use this. And this tells you how many orders they have in the queue. This person currently has 0, and they will deliver the product in a day. You can actually see other. And the thing about designers is the key is to look for consistency. Like, it's easy for anybody to come online and obviously lie to you, but the way you tell is see consistency. If you see that all the banners look fairly similar, then you can tell that the artist has their own unique touch. So we can see that this person does a really good job. We want to read the reviews and make sure that everything looks good. Even though it's $5, the key is to do your due diligence in advance to make sure that everything will be done properly so that you don't lose any time along the way. So we see these banners are really, really professional, and they're only $5. But as you can see here, it's 5-day delivery time and 22 in queue. So there's no promise it's going to be 5 days. He could cancel your project in 5 days. But this guy here, or woman, Jimmy. So they have 0 in Q, and this person here has 23 in Q. Now, obviously really good quality. If you're willing to wait 29 days, then there it is. But I would go with the person who has least amount of Q, fastest in the day, and really good reviews, 100% or 99% or above reviews. Anybody below that, I would not go with, just because you want to make sure that your experience is good. So as you can see, very easy to use with JVZoo.com. And congratulations, you are at the end of this video training course, and I hope this has been very helpful to you. And get your product on to JVZoo.com, start using it and start marketing it so that you can begin to see some results.